Sailor and the Parrot. Jack was a sailor. He lived in England, but he was often away with his ship. One summer, he came back from a long voyage and found new neighbors near his mother's house. They had a pretty daughter, and Jack soon loved her very much. Said to her, "My next voyage will begin a few days' time, Maria. I love you, and I'll marry you when I come back. I'll think about you all the time, and I will write to you and send you a present from every port." Jack's first port was Freetown in Africa, and he sent Maria a parrot from there. It spoke 5 languages. When Jack's ship reached Australia, there was a letter from Maria. It said, "Thank you for the parrot, Jack. It tastes much better than a chicken."